For this one, I have chosen some beautiful chuck. I just go out and buy a chuck roast, guys. It's just that simple. Nothing like fresh homemade ground beef. And I'm going to take that beautiful grind and turn it into an all-American hamburger. Folks, this is an all-American hamburger recipe, and it's got a few twists and turns in it. Some stuff that make it a little different from average. So let's take a look at this recipe and get busy cooking it up. Come on. We're going to need some good ingredients for that burger. An onion, lettuce, cheese, tomato, and a good quality bun. And of course, our meat grind. A good quality chuck is nice for this. We're going to spice that up with sage, garlic, and oregano. And then top it with a bit of black pepper and salt to taste. All kinds of things that you can do for a burger, guys. I tell you what, whoever first thought of using Thousand Island dressing on a hamburger needs to be awarded for a great idea, because that makes a great burger sauce. Also, there's all kinds of combinations from ketchup, you know, the mustard, mayo, all kinds of different things that people like, even up to avocado spread these days. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of chipotle sauce. And I've got, I would say, somewhere in the neighborhood of around a third to a half a cup of mayo here. One batch of secret sauce, and everybody's going to love you for it. There we go, folks. It's as easy as that. When you try stuff like this, you may be surprised at just how good it is. And also, you might taste this and think, I want to add a little more chipotle, or I want to add a little more mayo to tame it down. So go ahead, try this and see if you like it. Let's get those cooking. Something you need to know. Turn that meat one time only, okay? Cook it fully on one side, 5 or 6 minutes, then turn it over. It really depends on how thick the patty is as to how long and how hot your fire is. Oh, look at those gorgeous burgers. Can't wait to dig in. Now, folks, we have everything cooked up. It's time to make us a beautiful burger. So let's get busy assembling this thing. I want it to be beautiful to the eye, all right? In other words, it has to be pleasing. It has to be a good burger once I decide to bite into it. So it has to be made right. Next, we need to garnish this with some lettuce. So let's pull in the lettuce. Now, let's get that meat up on there. Oh yeah, that is good looking, isn't it? And also, cheese on the meat. That way you get a little melting action. Nothing like a couple of layers of cheese. All right, now next thing I want on top of that, remember it's all about that beautiful impression. I want to give a good one. So we need some tomatoes. Now my onion, I kind of like to layer him in. Just a couple of different little pieces. Get a little one up in here. There we go. And of course, I don't think it would be right without some pickle on there. Let's put my lid on it, and boom. We have a beautiful, photogenic burger. Look at it now that it's assembled. Isn't that a gorgeous burger? Just absolutely dripping with goodness. Folks, give this one a try. You will not regret. This is good. Folks, get a napkin. That is flat delicious. Once you try a burger like this, there's no turning back. And I hope you give this a try. Just a simple all-American burger recipe, but when it's done right, and you put that little extra time into it, it turns into something very, very special. Folks, this is delicious. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, and thank you for watching. This is a Texas Cooking Today recipe video. If you need a little more than this, there's a tutorial to it also. And if you've noticed, I've changed a lot of things around here. I have changed the way we're filming. So tell me what you think about that style and about that change. And if you like it, give me any criticisms that you might have, changes that you might consider. And if you would, please share this video and enjoy the burger. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.